Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to show you one of our favorite dwarf plants to use in a shaded landscape, and that's a holly fern. So this is a great plant to use in the shade. This is called holly fern. It has nice glossy leaves to it. For the most part, this is an evergreen plant. It will get burned back once in a blue moon if we have really cold weather. When we got down to 0 degrees a little while ago, uh, these did get burned pretty much to the ground, but then they came right back and they filled in nicely. We'll use these around trees, and a lot of times I'll use these as kind of a dwarf plant, as an extra layer in front of some taller plants. So this is a great plant to add some texture that stays green all year long. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also subscribe to our quick tip emails. This is Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood landscape company.